Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to remove a blog from Google Search Console. I'm now inside my Google Search Console account, and this is the blog I want to remove from my Google Search Console. It's called benstestingdomain.com. First, make sure to select your blog from this properties list. Then scroll down to settings, and next to property added to account, click on remove property. Confirm your selection and wait a moment. As you can see, my blog was removed successfully from my Google Search Console account. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.